reaction you guys have been giving me on the trailer, and it's so overwhelming. It's my first, so everything feels so special. Hi, Sakshi. Everything feels so special. Everything feels like brand new. You know, I've been acting and doing this for all my life. Like, as far as I can remember, this is what I do. But everything feels brand new all of a sudden, and it's like entering a new turf where you know, you're so minute and you're so vulnerable and you just want to grow. So thank you all for all the appreciation, for all the love. It really matters because this is something that is so special to me. Getting to work with these two guys here means so much. Rahul. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a live with Shravan. So I think I need to add him in. Just don't know how. Wait. Yep. I think I did it. Cash. Thank you guys for always saying such amazing things. Hi,
What's
Shravan.
up?
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How are you?
I am great. I'm great. And I was waiting for this live to happen because ever since, we had spoken about this, I'm like, wow, this is going to be a great one. And I like how we've already coordinated, guys. We've coordinated, this happened over the call. We discussed this over the call, ke kaun se color ke kapde pehne chahiye live ke liye. So that's why both of us are in the shades of red. She will deny it,
No,
but it's true,
that's
guys.
just the love in our hearts that is reflecting outside, Shravan.
That is so true. That is so true, Crystal.
I'm
But I
just
have to.
joining in my men in this.
Yes, I like this virtual live that we are doing. But I have to
Yes.
ask you, Crystal, this that you know when when you began this live, you said this that I'm sure you must be feeling overwhelmed, right, with all the response that is coming in.
Oh
Matlab, what
God,
an
I
amazing
can't even
trailer.
tell you what I'm feeling. So, you know, one night before the trailer released,
Uh,
I couldn't sleep. I just had like these forget butterflies. I had
oh
dinosaurs
wow.
which are extinct in my stomach. So I just couldn't sleep. I was waking up every 2 minutes seeing, is it 12:39? Is it 12:39? Because I had to post at 12:39. So I was so jittery just, you know, one night before. And after the trailer released, I read all the comments. I saw all the love. It was so overwhelming. I literally have howled and cried all alone.
Wow, wow. But how have your friends and family reacted to this? Because I'm sure,
Uh,
when you do this, okay, you always have this dream, right? And I personally think this that while you dream to become something, okay, it's always, you always have the support of your family and friends because all of them somewhere keep supporting you and keep telling you because you always look back at them when you need guidance, right? That's all of us.
correct,
So how
correct.
did they react when your trailer came out and they saw you in this amazing film?
So, you know, I usually don't discuss what I do with too many people. I have my bunch
Uh-huh.
of like 5 people who I tell everything to. So, I have called them all, telling them how much anxiety I'm going through.
Oh my God.
And they were all like, calm down, be fine. When the trailer came out, all of them have called me, messaged me saying that, oh my God, what were you even nervous about? It looks so good, it looks great. And let's not forget, we have
Exactly. Like, how can we forget that? Like, when you have Amitabh Bachchan in a trailer, and then you have Imran, and then Crystal, like, how can the trailer go wrong? Like, how? How does the
how.
trailer then go wrong? Like, how?
What a beautiful
Okay.
trio.
What a beautiful trio. Look at those amazing. This frame is going to be framed, I think. We should frame this frame.
I don't
But
think I'm gonna let this poster go from my house.
I don't think you should also because it's your first, right? And first times are always special. When the film was offered to you, Crystal, what was your reaction, and was it like it was a no-brainer that I have to say yes, or did you like I say बहुत सारा thinking किया है इस पे कि क्या करें?
Okay, this is an interesting story. So I was sitting with my mom having
Uh-huh,
coffee in a coffee
uh-huh,
shop, and I get a call from the director saying that,
uh-huh.
hey, we just got your number. Can you come down to office? It's a little urgent. And I said, what is this regarding? It was 8:30 p.m. Okay. So I said,
Wow.
what is this regarding? They said, it's regarding a film that we are doing. Can't give you much details, but can you come down to office? We'll explain it to you.
Mhm.
So I was sitting having my coffee. I looked at my mom. I'm like, listen, there's a meeting happening at 8:30. You think I should go? She's like, but what great are you doing right now? You're drinking coffee. So I was like, okay,
Mom
fine, let's
dropping
just go to
truth bomb.
office. So I was in Juhu already. I went to office. I
Uh-huh.
sat there and they started telling me about the film. So I sat with Rumi sir and he narrated the entire film to me without telling me who are the actors. Okay. So he's
Okay.
narrating the film and I loved it. I was like, wow. So my character is this girl called Natasha who I totally loved. I was like, I
Uh-huh.
like every bit of her. I love how she dresses. I love how she talks. I love everything about her. So
Yeah.
I said, okay, I love it. And I asked him, who are the other people that are in the film? So he said, Pele, you do an audition. Then if you go through the audition, I will give you the names. Because right
Uh-huh.
now we can't do that without an NDA. So I said, okay, fine. When is the audition? He said, upstairs right now.
Wow.
I said, oh,
Everything was
okay.
happening at the moment.
Like this. So I went upstairs, did 3 scenes. They were immediately sending the scenes to the team and it was getting approved. And they said, okay, so you're on board, this is your contract, and tomorrow you fly out to Delhi. I was like, wait, what?
Then they tell you
That's
who
how you.
the two
Hello?
people were. Yeah, then they tell you who the two people were.
No, so then they gave me the contract. They said, tomorrow you fly out to Delhi. I said,
Uh-huh.
okay, but who are the co-actors? They're like, so we have Imran Hashmi on board and Amitabh Bachchan. We've already shot a bit of it and we are continuing. And I'm like, huh?
Huh? Did you
What?
just say that right? Excuse me. Wait a
I was
minute.
like, 1 second, pinch me somebody. Also, is this how you bag a film? Like, what do I go home and tell my parents that, listen, I did an audition, I got selected, and tomorrow I'm leaving for a film with Amitabh Bachchan? They're going to be
How
like,
did
are
they
you mad?
react? But how did they react? I'm sure
So,
your mother
so
would
okay.
be like, yeah.
Everything was done. I took the contract back home.
Huh?
My mom and me live in the same city, but we live in separate houses. So I called her
Okay.
up. I'm like, Mom, I got the film. So she's like, okay, who's in it? I said, Amitabh Bachchan. She thinks, shut up, tell me who's in it. I said, Mom, Amitabh Bachchan. She's like, are you kidding? I was like, no, I'm not. I'm genuinely serious. She's like, okay, I'm coming. That was her only reaction.
So
And till date, her display pictures with him, not with me.
wow. So so they told you that this is Chehre, right? Also,
They told me
guys,
that after the audition and after I got selected and everything. But till then, obviously, they didn't want to let it out.
for sure,
And
for sure.
everything was happening really quick. Also, they wanted it to go through auditions. So I was
Huh?
back to back seeing actors come in, do their auditions, go out,
Oh.
do their auditions, go out. So there were a lot of people that they were talking to. It wasn't
Wow.
just me. So I did the audition, they liked it, and that's how I got the film.
Wow. Okay, guys. Also, another thing that's going to happen on this live is we are going to, of course, we are talking about Cherry that stars Pistol, Imran Hashmi, and Amitabh Bachchan. So, by the
You
end
mean
of the
Chehre?
live,
You
by
mean
the end,
Chehre?
I mean
And you mean
Cherry,
Chehre?
Cherry. So, what is going to happen is by the end of the live, I'm going to ask you guys how many times did both of us together mention Cherry? And y'all can let us know in the comments. कितनी बार हमने Cherry बोला है because it's Cherry. Am I right? Did I
It's
say it
Chehre.
right? It's Cherry,
Yes.
right? Did I say
It's
it right?
Cherry. You're
Cherry.
right. Yeah, yeah.
But after the trailer release, Crystal, please tell me you did this. You went to Google and you Googled what were the reactions that were coming. Did you do that?
I went to YouTube and I
Uh-huh.
saw the reactions below. I also went to my Facebook and my Instagram, and every 2 minutes I was reading all the reactions.
Wow.
You know, it's so surprising that everything was positive. Everything was positive, and I was just like, wow. So there's no problem in the trailer as such. It's grand,
There
it's
is
beautiful, it's
no, that's
captivating,
true.
it's gripping, it's everything. So even when I saw it, I didn't realize how grand it was. Also, we were supposed to release last year, so it's
Yeah.
been a year since then. So you somehow just your memory fades with everything.
Yeah.
And when I suddenly saw it again, I'm like, listen, this is grand, this is big. So I keep checking Google, I keep checking YouTube, I keep checking everything.
Everything, every social media platform ever
Yeah,
जहाँ पे
Social
चेहरे
media
हैं.
I love social media, so I check everything on social media. Good, bad, ugly, I'm okay with everything.
Which is perfect. But I think that's the well, like you said, that's the thing about the trailer. It is so good that as soon as the trailer begins, because the dialogue at the start till the trailer ends, you're at the edge of the seat and you're like, listen, can I watch it right now? Can we watch it right now? When is Sherry releasing? Do you want to tell them?
Chehere is releasing on the 9th of April, 2021. Please go to a cinema near you and watch it in on the big screen, because everything is grand, everything is
Sure.
larger than life in the film, and the cinema is something that we've grown up watching things that are larger
Sure.
than life on. So that's why we waited and we chose to release in the cinemas. Please be safe while you're at it.
Yeah.
Theaters are maintaining social distancing, they are maintaining all the protocols needed. So, for your own safety, you maintain protocols as well. And please go watch Cherry on 9th of April on 2021 in the theater near you.
And it's Crystal's debut film. Like, how can you not watch it in a theater? I mean,
Yes,
come on. It would be
guys.
so unfair. It would be so unfair. But Crystal,
That's
from the
true.
time, from the time you started, I'm sure, you have this thing that I want to be I want to be seen on the big screen. Okay. Uh, Today when that is actually coming through, okay, deep inside, what is the feeling?
It's still not sunk in,
Oh, it
because
hasn't.
honestly, after a whole pandemic year,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
not able to sink in things that are such big news,
True.
because it's like जब होगा तब देखेंगे, उससे पहले you don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm not, till it doesn't actually happen, till I don't go to the theater and watch it, I'm not yet ready to even take the fact in that it's out, it's coming, it's
Yeah.
big, but of course it's an amazing feeling. When I joined acting almost more than a decade ago,
Mm-hmm.
every actor feels like someday I want to grow up and do work in films. And when I finished doing TV, I jumped to OTT,
Yeah.
and now from OTT, so I've done the whole, each step,
Whole,
one
yeah,
step
for
at a
sure.
time.
For
So
sure.
once OTT was done, that's when Cherry happened. So for me, it's like just walking slowly and getting there, and
Yeah.
finally, I feel like somewhere, in this big industry, I want to leave that little small mark that I'm here, I did my bit, watch me.
No, but I think that you are already going to leave a massive mark because tell me how many people have the chance to make their debut on the big screen with Amitabh Bachchan, bro? Like, who are we kidding? It's the Amitabh Bachchan. I'm sure everybody who comes to Mumbai to be an actor